Good morning students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.5 second question. Find the value of k such that if f composition g is equal to g composition f. Suppose this two value will be equal, we want to find the value of k. Okay. The function f of x and g of x, the function value it is given. Okay. Using this value, first you want to find f composition g and g composition f. See solution. First f composition g. So f composition g of x. So this we can write it as f of g of x. Now f of g of x already it is given. What is that? That you should write 6x minus k. Now this 6x minus k where want to substitute? From that function f want to substitute. Okay. Already f of x, what is that? F of x is 3x plus 2. Now instead of x you should substitute 6x minus k. Then means 3 instead of x you should substitute 6x minus k plus 2. So this is the value of f of 6x minus k. So you write 3 times of 6x minus k of plus 2. Now 3 is common for both also. So 3 6 are 18x minus 3k plus 2. 3 into k, 3k. Now, so we cannot simplify. Okay, this is f composition g. Next, g composition f. The same g compositions of f of x. So this we can write it as g of f of x. Now, what is that f of x? G of f of x, it is given 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2. Already we know g of x. G of x is, the function g of x is 6x minus k. 6x minus k. So instead of x place you substitute 3x plus 2. So you should substitute means 6 times of 3x plus 2 minus k. Okay. So that value you should write here. So you should write means here 6 times of 3x plus 2 minus k. Okay. Now see 6 is common for both also. So 6 3s are 18x plus 6 2s are 12 minus k. So we cannot simplify. This is g composition f. So see now here it is given these two will be equal. F composition g, g composition f equal. So equate. F composition g value is 18x minus 3k plus 2 is equal to g composition value will be 18x plus 12 minus k. Now both side 18x will get cancelled. So minus 3k minus k, this side come plus k. So this side already plus 12 is there. Then plus 2 that side go minus 2. Now you should cancel this minus 3k plus k. So minus 3k 1k go means remaining minus 2k is equal to 10. 12 minus 2 10. Now simplify this. K is equal to 10 divided by minus 2. Minus 2 will go down. Now you should cancel this. 10 by 2 we will get minus 5. Therefore given question f composition g and g composition f will be equal. So you should equate means you find f composition g and g composition f. So equate and you will get the answer of k. So therefore k value is 5. See next question, third one. If f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, then we want to show that f composition g and g composition value will be x. Okay. So both answer also we are receiving x we want to show. Okay. For that, see solution. First given function you should write f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. G of x is x plus 1 by 2. So we want to show that f composition g equal to g composition f is equal to x. Now f composition g want to find first. So f composition g of x want to write. So this we can write it as f of g of x. Now this f of g of x is given x plus 1 by 2. Now this instead of, see here, f of x plus 1 by 2 value want to find. Yes, so already we know f of x is 2x minus 1. So instead of x place you should substitute x plus 1 by 2. So you should substitute this 2 times of, so 2 times of, instead of x place x plus 1 by 2, then minus 1. So that you should write, this is the value of f of x plus 1 by 2. So 2 times of x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now this 2 will get cancelled. So x plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, we will get x. So this is equation 1. Okay, like that you want to find G composition F. Next, so next G composition F is equal to G composition F of x. One x want to include. Now G of f of x, this we can write it as G of f of x. So G of f of x is, what is that? 2x minus 1. So already we know G of x is x plus 1 by 2. So we need G of 2x minus 1. So instead of x place you substitute 2x minus 1. Already numerator plus 1 is there, whole divided by 2. This is the value of G of 2x minus 1. What is that? 2x minus 1 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now here plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So remaining 2x by 2. So here 2 will get cancelled. We will receive as a x. This is equation 2. Already 1 we got. Therefore, from 1 and 2, F composition G is equal to G composition F. We received as a x. We received as x. That's all. Next see fourth one. If f of x is given x square minus 1, g of x is x minus 2, find the value of a. If condition is given, G composition f of a is equal to 1. See solution. First given f of x is x square minus 1, then g of x is x minus 2. We want to find the value of a. For that it is given if G compositions of f of a is equal to 1. Actually it is given this condition. So this we can write it as how? G of f of a. G of f of a is equal to 1. So already we know f of x is x square minus 1. We need f of a. So instead of x place a want to substitute. So a square minus 1. Therefore G of f of a is a square minus 1 is equal to 1. Now a square minus 1 where want to substitute? Function g want to substitute. Okay. So g of x, the function g of x is x minus 2. So instead of x place you substitute a square minus 1. So instead of x place you substitute a square minus 1 of minus 2. So right here this is the value of a square minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now a square minus 1 minus 2 you should add minus 3 is equal to 1. Now a square is equal to 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 means 4. So a squared value is 4. Now we need the value of a. So need the value of a means a is equal to square, that's say go means square root of 4. So square root of 4 means we will get plus or minus 2. Therefore a answer is plus or minus 2. That's all. See next question, fifth one. Let a comma b comma c is a subset of natural number and a function f is a tends to b and defined by the function defined by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Then the function g is b tends to c then is defined at by g of x is equal to x square. Then question has to find the range of f composition g and g composition f. So range of f composition g and g composition f want to find. Okay, for that see solution first. It is given a comma b comma c, three sets are subset of n natural number. Then f is a tends to b. Then f of x function is given 2x plus 1. Then the function g is b tends to c. Then g of x is x squared. So first point question has to find range of f composition g. Then means first f composition g want to find. So f composition g of x. So this we can write f of g of x. Now what is that g of x? F of g of x is x squared. So now instead of, already you know f of x is 2x plus 1. So instead of x place x squared you should substitute 2x squared plus 1 you will get. So this value is 2x squared plus 1. Therefore question here asked range. Therefore, range of f composition g is equal to. So you want to consider this function value you consider as a y. So y such that y is equal to 2x squared plus 1 comma here x you want to choose from natural number. X belongs to natural number. This is called range of f composition g. Okay. So y such that y is equal to 2x squared plus 1, x belongs to natural number. This is called range of f composition g. Like that, next we want to find g composition f. Second one, range of g composition f. So g composition f is equal to g composition f of x. So this we can change g of f of x. Now g of f of x is given 2x plus 1. Now already we know g of x is x square. So we need g of 2x plus 1. So now that means instead of x place 2x plus 1 you substitute whole square. That means this value is 2x square plus 1 to the whole square. Now this is g composition f. Therefore range of g composition f is equal to, this also you consider as a y. So y such that y is equal to 2x plus 1 to the whole square. Then this x you want to choose, x belongs to natural number. This is the range of g composition f. Okay. So you should write in the form of set builder form want to write. Okay. So range of f composition g and g composition f you should write in the form of set builder form. Okay. That's all. See next sixth question. Let f of x is given x square minus 1. Then we want to find f composition f and f compositions of f composition f we want to find. Okay. For that see solution, first given function you write here, only one function only it is given, f of x is equal to x square minus 1. So using this function we want to find the value of this. First f composition f. So f composition f, how we can write? So f composition f is equal to f composition f of 1 x 1 to include. So this we can write it as composition remove means f of x. F of x. Now f of x is what is that? The function f of x is x square minus 1. Now this where want to substitute? Already f of x you know x square minus 1. So instead of x place you should substitute x square minus 1 means, so instead of x place x squared minus 1 to the whole square minus 1. So now you substitute means here you will get x square minus 1 to the whole square minus 1 you will get. Okay. Now you should expand this a minus b to the whole square. A square plus b square or else a square minus 2 into a into b plus b squared minus 1. Now simplify x power 4 minus 2x squared. Here plus 1 square minus 1 will get cancelled. So only we will receive, or else you should write, then you will cancel first. 1 squared minus 1. This is the expansion of a minus b to the whole square. Okay. So x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 minus 1. Now this you see plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Answer is x power 4 minus 2x square. This is a value of f composition f. This is a value of f composition f. See next second point, f compositions of f composition f. So this we can write it as f compositions of f composition is equal to f compositions of f composition f of x. So this we can write in the form of f of f composition f of x. This value before only we got. So this value is, what does that means? X power 4 minus 2x squared. So before we received answer, okay, by first point we received this answer. Now this is to substitute function f. So function f is x squared minus 1. So instead of x, you substitute this x power 4 minus 2x squared to the whole square minus 1. Okay, this no need to simplify, you can leave as it is. Okay, this is the value of f compositions, f of composition f. Okay, that's all.